Redis is not just a cache. With Redis Stack, it becomes a fully capable vector database that can power semantic search and AI retrieval pipelines at in-memory speed. Instead of matching exact words, vector search works on embeddings, numeric arrays that encode meaning. Redis indexes those arrays, so you can ask for the k nearest neighbors in milliseconds. You create the index once with FT.CREATE, declaring the vector field's algorithm, dimensions, and distance metric. Every HNSW after that automatically updates the index, and ft.search with knn retrieves the nearest neighbors at query time. We store 3 documents as hashes, each with a content field and an embedding field holding a 4-dimensional vector as a space-separated string. We then retrieve all fields and selectively fetch the content and embedding from each document, showing how Redis acts as a vector store even without the search module. When reviewing a PR that uses vector search, check that the declared dimension matches the model, that DIALECT 2 is set, that embeddings are binary packed floats, and that HNSW is chosen for large datasets instead of a brute force flat index. Vector search in Redis comes down to 3 things. Pack your embeddings as binary floats, declare the index with the right dimensions and algorithm, and always use DIALECT 2 for knn queries. Redis then doubles as your vector database with no extra infrastructure.